SPY update 316. So crazy move today. Volatility was insane. I had 3 trades. My first trade was in this area. I went short, made some pretty good money on some puts. I didn't make that much actually on the puts, but on the SPXS I made some pretty good money all the way down here. I think I covered around 426. But then my puts from yesterday, I closed out immediately when we blasted off at the very beginning of the market. Closed those around 431 for a loss. And then on this move right here at the end of the day, it really got me. The reason was if you look at the fib retracement on here, this went all the way down to the 0.78 fib, which normally invalidates the fourth wave. However, it can be an ending diagonal, and this was an ending diagonal. And looking at it now, I should have noticed that when you go like this to the second wave, and then you clone this, and you see that the first wave, the top of the first wave, the third wave breaks this line, that's an impulse move. This isn't an ABC, it's an impulse move. So then at that point, you're looking for a fourth wave, and let's see here. If you go to the fib retracement, or not the fib retracement, you go to the parallel lines from the first wave to the top of the third wave, you'll see that the fourth wave did break the plane. I wasn't expecting it to go that low though, so it was kind of confusing because parallel lines are saying this is an impulse move, but then when it broke the 0.5 fib from here, it breaks the 0.5 fib that usually invalidates the fourth wave. It went all the way to, where did it go to? It went all the way to the 0.78 fib. So at that point, I had made money on the puts and I'd made money on SPXS. And I was looking at this like it was a ABC final wave move for the C wave, when I should have just looked at this as being a 335 move. So we have ABC. No, I'm sorry. Over here, I'm on the 1 hour chart. We have ABC. Here, 4 hour chart. Let's do this. So you have ABC, then you have ABC, and then right here you can kind of see this is just a 5-wave move because there is no ABC on here, it's just straight up. And so I'm still noticing things too that I can improve on with Elliott Wave. It's I've been using it for a good amount, and I make some mistakes still, but overall, it really has helped my trading out a ton. Today was very abnormal though too. Like this move right here from 430, 450 down to 425. I'll tell you what I did. I waited for the 50% to 61% retracement, which was between 429.60 and like 431. And so I bought more SPXS around that level. I bought 2 contracts of puts. I think I bought like 700 shares of SPXS, something like that. And so I was expecting this to be a first wave, and then that was a second wave pullback. Instead, we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And so obviously, since I thought this was a first wave, I put my stop above 434.50. And we blew past that, got stopped down on SPXS and my puts. I was wrong, but I did do the risk reward correctly. I did first wave, bought in here at 50% retracement, so I didn't lose that much, even though I was wrong, and I talk about that all the time. So that was the good thing about it. I definitely respected my rules, even though I charted it wrong. So now going to the chart, what am I expecting from here on out? This is a 5-wave move. So this is about to top out probably somewhere around, in my opinion, if it didn't top out today, we'll look at it in lower time frames. I am looking for this to top out probably somewhere between 436.53 all the way to the 0.78 fib, 439.85. The only level it has to hold to still be a valid second wave is this level right here, which is 441.18. So that is the main level we're watching, 441.18. If it breaks that, then I'm bullish, and my whole thesis on us going down to 400 is likely out the window, and this was the bottom. So all this would be wrong. If we hold 441.18 and we start a move down here, let's say we get a big move down here, then the thesis to go down to 385 is still in play. So it kind of just depends on the level 441.18. That's all I'm watching, and as you can see, 5-wave move, so this should be topping out here soon. So again, let's look at this. We have ABC, ABC, and then we have 5-wave move. So that is a 3-3-5 move, and then with an ending diagonal. So interesting day. I lost a little bit of money because I read the chart wrong, but I see what I did wrong now. And sometimes looking at the higher time frames, I think I've been looking on too low of time frames as well. Because if you look at this time frame right here, you can see the ABC, and then you can see the, what is this? A, B, C, B. So you can see the ABC on these, but this one you can't see the ABC. That's because it's a 5-wave move. It's just a straight 5-wave move. So there's little like things you pick up along the way that will help you in the future. And obviously parallel lines is huge, and I think I'll be using that as like my main indicator to know if it's impulse or ABC move in the future, because that cost me money today. So in summary, we're just looking to hold 441.18 or 441.20. If it holds that, then that would be the second wave. If it goes above that, then that cancels out this first wave, and we will have to change everything. So 441.18, and then we can see down here around 400 for the third wave would be very possible, and then ultimately down here to 385. So let me know what you think in the comments. Did you trade today? Did you make any money? What made you go long? What made you go short? Whatever you want to comment, and also give me tickers that you want me to take a look at. Some of the individual stocks started to pop today, which is kind of nice to see. And I think they're not out of the woodwork yet until we get above this level. So if we just start falling now, then we're probably going to get at least another month of the, the bearishness and the pinning of those growth stocks. So looking at this from a time perspective, we're already in March, and we're going all the way up here. It kind of seems like I'm starting to lean. I feel like this is going to be more bullish. I honestly wouldn't mind that if we started to melt up now, but at the same time, I would like my prediction to come true. So we'll see what happens. I'm just going to let it play out and then go from there. I have no positions on right now. I would only open up a short position if we got a move down here and then we got a pullback again. That's where I always enter on the second wave pullback. I'm not going to guess the top and get burned again. So I'll let this play out. I'm not going to go short or long anytime soon until we see how this plays out the next couple of days. So, all right, well, let me know what you think in the comments. Like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video.